Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to tell you guys a little $20 trick you can do to get rid of this super long antenna. I mean, let's be honest, the Ram, aggressive looking truck, but you add that antenna right there and it drives you insane. So what I picked up on Amazon, and I'll put it in the link in the description below, is I already took it out the package because I'm very impatient, but I got this little shorty antenna. Okay, I've seen multiple antennas. There's a ton of them on the internet. You got your bullet antennas, you got your mid to short antennas. I just picked up one because, let me be honest with you, I barely listen to the radio in this truck. Once my phone's connected, I'm either listening to ESPN, I'm listening to 105 The Fan, I'm listening to all kinds of stuff through my phone. So I barely use the radio in here. So if I was to not get clear communication from this antenna, it probably wouldn't bother me. So if you're a big radio fan, I'd be cautious when buying stuff like this. Okay, all you need to do is just, you know, take this off. And I already loosened it earlier because, you know, it wouldn't be this loose on the truck. That'd be terrible because it would fly off. Also, when you go into a car wash, you gotta take this off. If you go to a car wash, I don't go to car washes, but just set that bad boy right there. And let's put this. And I also had to put the screw inside the antenna. So this little short boy, put it right here. Okay, might need two hands for this plate. Let's see, there we go. Alright, she on there. I can take my pliers, you know, they got the grooves, you can tighten it up. But so far, she on there. I don't think she's going nowhere. So, look at that. I think I paid 18 bucks for this shorty antenna. I'm not sure how good it works. We're about to find out. So, let's start this bad girl up and let's see. She is warm, so let's see. Let's take a look at the radio. And don't judge the truck, all right? Let me tell you something. With this coronavirus and the pandemic going on and all this good stuff, the car washes ain't open, man. So, you know, never do what I do. Okay, so let's see if I can get you guys some radio in here.
They have to be together, but I'm not sure if that's the most important thing. I will say.
Oh yeah, so that's clear. So put this song on. Super clear. Yeah, so hey, I mean, radio, the ESPN. I guess this shorty antenna works. Like I said, I won't be using this really because I barely use the radio, because as soon as I get in my truck, I boom, hit the media, and I got the Bluetooth playing, or I'll connect my phone. But if you're looking for a way to just, you know, get rid of that long antenna, then you can just do what I did. And like I said, I got it from Amazon. You can get it from eBay. You can go get it from Mopar. I don't really care. But this is for my Ram, so I got rid of this long thing, and I put this short thing on right here. All right, I will catch you guys in the next episode of Ram Vlogs. No, I'm just playing. I don't really have a name for this. Like I said, I talk about sports all day long, so you know, now that there's no sports to talk about, gotta talk about the Ram. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.